Hi everyone. So I planted few cuttings of snake plant in water, and after a week or two I could see some roots popping out. After 4 weeks the roots look healthy, the cuttings also look healthy, the roots are really long and the plant seems to be doing fine. I planted the cuttings in regular tap water. I also planted few cuttings into soil, and I used a mixture of 50% sand and 50% garden soil. So the root system looks really healthy. If the roots look brown, this means that the roots are rotting up. Here, the cutting after a month or two, it produced a small pup, and this pup grew up to be a small snake plant, which you'll see shortly. So yeah, this is the same pup after a year. In a year, it turned into a small snake plant, and you can see that it has produced two another small pups. So you can see that the mother cuttings are there, and two small pups are also coming out slowly. So this is another plant which I grew from cuttings. Please note that I have planted all the cuttings into soil and all of them turned into beautiful but small plants. It took me a year. It actually took them a year to come off this size. The initial stage is it's pretty slow and it's pretty tough for the plant because it isn't big enough to grow pretty fast. But once the plant is comfortable and it is it comes to a decent size, it start producing a lot more pups and side growth. So you can see that even this plant has produced a small pup. So this is actually this year in 2020, in the month of February, that I noticed the small pups. And guys, this video I shot today, and today is what, 26th of um, July, and you can see that the small pup which was growing at the edge of the plant has grown bigger than the mother plant. You can see that it has outgrown the mother plant. One thing that I want you to note is that we need to be really patient, because initially when we plant a small cutting, it isn't big enough, it isn't how to say, strong enough to sustain itself and to produce a pup. But when a healthy and a mature plant produces a pup, the growth is much faster. So you can see that it is even taller than the mother plant. Here is the second pot which had produced two pups. So you can see that these small babies, and because this plant had produced two pups, the growth is much slower than the plant which has produced one pup. This one has actually produced three of them. So this is why it's growing slowly, because obviously the plant needs more energy to grow and to sustain. You can see that the mother plant has shriveled up and is dying, but now the plant is healthy enough to sustain itself, and the pups are also growing. You can see that the plants are looking very healthy, and this has been after a year and a quarter. So I wanted to share this entire journey with all of y'all. Even here you can see that this was the mother cutting. One thing that I want to tell you, that's a personal choice. When it comes to planting a snake plant cutting, please try to take the entire leaf. First of all, when the plant will grow, I personally don't like this stump. So when you have an entire leaf growing, the aesthetics of the plant, they aren't compromised. And secondly, the cutting is big enough to support and to produce the growth at the first stage, and then in producing a pup in the later stage. And you can see that the plant is flourishing. I can't believe that small tiny pup has become so big and so tall. It has approximately reached, I think, 1.5 feet. or maybe 2 feet, and it's doing very well. I do not fertilize it that often, I just water it.